Yo, it's your favorite boy Brandy Brown jumping on this freestyle. Later to Don Jazzy, you understand that? It's coming in now, it's coming in now.
Okay, yeah. Make una help me tell Don Jazzy, make you try marry. As you see me so now your face daughter I want marry. Make you try marry yo before next year January. Because you know say now my wife me I want come carry. Don Jazzy a #1 Don Dada. For the industry, if not be you, I swear no other Jazzy. Well, like you gonna live longer, and my children need to they call you grandpapa. I'm Jazzy. Well, like you too they jazz me. You they sing, they produce, even comedy. You they help your haters, even your enemies. That is why I'm always crushing on your energy. I no get fans like Davido, but I get the vibe. Some people say I no go blow, cause I'm not the type that I'm poor. No money to even push my plan, but I they always tell them say it's not just yet my time. Up to something, no time for long things. See yo, the fine girls, they love my big team. And they tell them say, oh, I am for Jazzy, I'm for Jazzy, Indo to Jazzy. Up to something, no time for long things. See yo, the fine girls, they love my big team. And they tell them say, oh, I am for Jazzy, I'm for Jazzy, Indo to Jazzy. I'm for Jazzy, Indo to Jazzy. I'm for Jazzy, Indo to Jazzy. Brandy Brass again, you understand that? DJ Hato, my backbone.